Hi, Miss Jakata here, aka Fat Soul Foods. So we did a big Thanksgiving feast yesterday, and today we're going to make soul food egg rolls. I'm doing a little bit different this year because I don't eat dairy and meat. I made vegan mac and cheese, and actually it turns out very good. I know it's like different with the breadcrumbs on top, but it really did turn out good yesterday. Um, and I didn't post that on our channel because that was my first time doing it, and I wanted to make sure I get it down pat a couple times before I post it. And then we did our candy yams, which are almost gone. I cut about 8 potatoes, and my candy yams and my peach cobbler never last for more than a couple days through the holidays. So we're gonna go ahead and make the egg roll. Okay, they're vegan. These are so good. I can eat these all day. We're gonna make the egg roll soul food wraps, and we're gonna show you how in a few. With the egg roll vegan wraps, I normally use cabbage, carrots, and maybe a soy meat and also soybeans. But like I said, for the holidays, I make the soul food wrap. So you need these. You can get them from Walmart. That's where I normally get them from, or you can get it from Target. And whatever you're gonna fill it with. And they're very easy to make. And then you need to make it with I'm sorry for my little one. I'm using olive oil to cook them in now. I'm only using a little bit because they fry so quickly. So you can use a vegetable oil, but I'm using the olive oil. So I'm going to heat this. And the thing about olive oil, it heats very quickly. Okay? All right. So let me go ahead. I'm going to first put the mac and cheese. I'm going to put that at one end. And he's just having a ball right now. At one end of that. And then I'm going to put the candy yams. I had to literally like put some candy yams up because they were not going to make it. And I wanted to have enough for, just put a little bit of the juice in there. They weren't going to make it to the next day. And then you just fold. You kind of fold it like an envelope. Okay. Go ahead and fold it. And once you go ahead and fold the end over, because you're folding like an envelope, you're going to go ahead and wet that so it can go ahead and secure. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and do a couple more of these. And we'll go ahead, once we get a couple more finished, we'll go ahead and get them dropped in the oil. All right, we are back. So we have our egg rolls finished. And we're gonna go ahead and drop them. Like I said, I'm cooking them in olive oil, so it doesn't take very long for them to cook. And they're gonna cook very fast, okay? And as they're cooking, I'm gonna turn the fire up just a little bit, because like I said, they cook very, 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 very fast. Let's get a Pyrex dish. What are you? All right. We're gonna crank that fire up just a little bit. Thank you, Jordan. Let's see. Do we have room for one more in there? Yeah. Go ahead and dip one more. And also, I meant to mention, so as a dipping sauce, we're going to go ahead and use the juice from the yams. And I have a lot of it left. It's very sweet. So, as if you would use duck sauce for, oh, it smells so good. I'm going to go ahead and use that juice for the egg rolls, for the soul food egg rolls. All right. Now we're going to get these cooked up And then we're gonna show you the finished product. So we have completed our soul food egg rolls. Look at that. They're just so nice and golden and brown. All right, and I cut one open for you. So look how juicy and succulent that is. And that is the mac and cheese. Okay. And the candy yam. All right, so if you like this tutorial, please subscribe. Like our page, Fat Soul Foods on Instagram, Facebook. Subscribe to our page if you like this video. Give us a like and talk to you soon.